Good morning, students. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Welcome to your English grammar class. So, children, today we are going to do adverbs. So, what is adverb? Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs tell you how something is done. They are also called how adverbs. Adverbs of place. These adverbs tell you where something is done. So they are also called where adverbs. Adverbs of time. These adverbs tell you when something is done. So these are also called when adverbs. Adverbs of frequency. These adverbs tell you how often something is done. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some examples are given below. Like kind is an adjective. Kindly is an adverb. Same way, happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. So these are few examples of adverbs and how adverbs are made from adjectives. Children, now we have kinds of adverbs. This I have already told you. First, manner. Adverbs of manner, it describes in which manner an action is done, or you can say how an action is done. Place, it describes where an action is done. Time, it describes when an action is done. So we have these types of adverbs: manner, place, and time. First of all, we will understand adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. So these adverbs tell you where something is done or where an action is happening. For example, the boys are playing upstairs. Here, children, you can see upstairs is an adverb because it is telling you that where the children are playing, they are playing upstairs. So this word is telling you where an action is done. The dog is in the garden. So here the adverb is in the garden. We are going to New York City on our school trip. So here the adverb is New York City. It's very sunny but cold outside. Here what is adverb? Adverb is outside. So children, let's take few more examples of adverb of places. She will stay there for 5 days. So where she will stay? Children, there. So here the adverb of place is there. His children go everywhere with him. So here the adverb is everywhere. 2 cars were parked outside. So where the cars were parked? Outside. So here the adverb is outside. John looked around but he couldn't see the monkey. So here the adverb is around. They built a house nearby. So what is the adverb here, children? Nearby. So children, next adverb is adverbs of manner. These adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things or how the thing is done. So these are called adverbs of manner. For example, the girls answers all the questions correctly. So children, here the adverb is correctly because the girl has answered the questions correctly. So how she has answered? She has answered correctly. So that is why the adverb is correctly. He was driving carelessly. So how he was driving? Carelessly. So here the adverb is carelessly. The plane landed safely. So how the plane landed, children? Safely. So here the adverb is safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. Here the adverb is skillfully. Let us take few more examples of adverb of manner. They watched carefully. Here the adverb is carefully. The flower was beautifully made up. Here the adverb is beautifully. How the flower was made up? Beautifully. So the adverb is beautifully. She seemed faintly. Here the adverb is faintly. The team played wonderfully. How the team played, children? It played wonderfully. So the adverb is wonderfully. Now adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when, or when something is happening or something has happened. They are called adverbs of time. So children, let's take few examples. The train has already left. Here the adverb is already. When the train left, it has already left. We moved into our new house last week. When did you move to your new house? Last week. So here the adverb is last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. So what is the adverb here? At 6 o'clock. I am going to my new school tomorrow. So what is the adverb here? Tomorrow, because it is telling you the time or when the action will happen. Few more example. We shall now begin to work. So here what is the adverb? Now, because it is telling you the time or when action will be done. He called here a few minutes ago. Here the adverb is few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. Here the adverb is yesterday. He comes here daily. So here the adverb is daily. Mr. Gupta formerly lived here. So here what is the adverb? Formerly. So children, let's take few examples of all the adverbs. So here underline the correct adverb. The first is the stars twinkled brightly. So children, in this, how the stars twinkled? They twinkled brightly. So it is the adverb of manner. Next is they looked up. So where did they look? Up. So it is the adverb of place. I did not go to dance class yesterday. When? It is telling you when. So it is the adverb of time. So here the adverb is yesterday. We should sleep early. Again this is telling you the time. So here the adverb is early. Please talk softly. Here the adverb is softly and it is the adverb of manner. How should we talk? We should talk softly. Sneha is studying upstairs. Here children the adverb is upstairs and it is an adverb of place. Do you work carefully? Children, here this is adverb of manner. How do you work? Or the question is asked, do you work carefully? So here the adverb is carefully. My friends are waiting there. Here adverb is there and it is adverb of place. Children, I hope you all have understood and enjoyed today's topic. Thank you.